Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is how to be an ally to a cyberbullying victim. Cyberbullying can have a serious impact on people's mental and emotional well being, and having supportive friends can make a big difference. Let's start by discussing what it means to be an ally to a cyberbullying victim. Annika, would you like to start? Sure, ma'am. To me, being an ally means standing by the victim and making sure they don't feel alone. Cyberbullying can make people feel isolated, so being there to listen and offer support can mean a lot. Exactly, Annika. Emotional support is an essential part of being an ally. Raghav, what's your take?
I agree with Annika. An ally is someone who not only supports the victim but also encourages them to take action, like reporting the bullying. Sometimes, they might feel scared to act alone, so an ally can help them feel stronger.
Very true, Raghav. Supporting someone in taking steps to handle the situation is key. Nisha, what would you add?
I think being an ally also means showing empathy and understanding. Cyberbullying can deeply affect a person's self-esteem, and an ally should be patient, listen without judgment, and reassure them that it's not their fault.
Absolutely, Nisha. Offering empathy can help restore a victim's confidence. Pankaj, do you have more to add?
Yes, I think an ally should be observant and notice signs that something is wrong. Not everyone openly talks about being bullied, so sometimes we need to reach out and ask if they're okay.
Good point, Pankaj. Observing and checking in on friends can be very helpful. Now, let's discuss specific actions an ally can take to support someone being cyberbullied. Annika, any ideas? I think one important action is to encourage them to save evidence, like screenshots of bullying messages. This can be helpful if they need to report it to someone in authority, like a teacher or counselor. Great idea, Annika. Documentation can be essential for reporting purposes. Raghav, any other actions?
Another helpful action is to report the bullying behavior on the platform. If we see harmful posts or comments, we can report them ourselves. Many social media sites take action if enough people report abusive content.
Good suggestion, Raghav. Reporting helps stop the spread of harmful content. Nisha, what would you add?
I think just spending time with them and including them in social activities can help. When someone feels bullied, they might isolate themselves, so being there and inviting them to things can really make a difference.
Wonderful point, Nisha. Inclusion can combat the feelings of isolation cyberbullying often causes. Pankaj, any other ideas?
I'd say it's also important to avoid engaging with the bully. Sometimes bullies want attention, and if we ignore them while supporting the victim, we're showing that we're focused on the right person.
Very wise, Pankaj. Ignoring the bully and focusing on the victim reinforces positive support. Let's discuss how being an ally can impact both the victim and the person helping. Annika, what do you think? I think being an ally can really help the victim feel stronger and more confident. Knowing they have someone on their side can give them the courage to stand up against the bullying or seek help. Absolutely, Annika. Allies can empower victims. Raghav, what about you?
I think it can also positively impact the ally. Helping someone in need can be fulfilling, and it can make you feel more responsible. You learn to value empathy and the importance of standing up for what's right.
Very insightful, Raghav. Thank you all for sharing such thoughtful advice. Being an ally can make a world of difference for someone facing cyberbullying, and every small act of support counts. Fantastic discussion, everyone.